Hi, girls and boys. Reggie Roo here. Do you have a train set? There are many different types of trains, like freight trains, which are very strong. Here is a big orange freight train pulling lots of colorful carriages. Here comes another freight train. Toot toot. Wow! Freight trains pull lots of wagons full of cargo. This one is loaded with containers. They carry all sorts of cargo. The cargo can be loaded from a factory, warehouse, or a mine. Here is a freight train leaving a seaport. They will often travel long distances to deliver their important goods. Through the countryside chugs the powerful freight train. They're like a semi-trailer truck on rails. The train is very long. This yellow freight train has 2 engines pulling the heavy wagons. It could be carrying food, liquids, grains, machine parts, minerals and rocks, metals, retail products, or even toys. Have you seen a freight train before? Aren't they impressive? Hooroo! To see more things that go, click on the videos above. And don't forget to subscribe.